Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you why you should dropship high ticket products. Let's get into it. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what is a high ticket item? A high ticket item is an item that is, I guess, expensive, okay? Everyone has a different definition, but for me, it's really anything over $100. The first reason you should dropship high ticket products is high ticket has much less competition than low ticket. Every YouTuber out there and his dog pushes low ticket products, mainly because it's easy to access them on AliExpress. Because it's a little bit harder to source high ticket products, there's just much less competition. There's a bit more work involved, but you're gonna face far less competition when you drop ship high ticket products. The next big reason is it's much easier to be profitable with your ads, especially with Google Shopping. So Google Shopping was purpose built in my eyes for high ticket drop shipping. It's so much easier to get your cost per conversion profitable on a high ticket product versus a low ticket product. Now imagine you're drop shipping a $20 product, right? And you have a cost per conversion of $10. Straight away, half your sale price is gone just on ads, okay? Now, if you're drop shipping high ticket items and say it even costs you $15 or $20, so 2 times the cost per conversion, but the item is $100, you've still got $80 there to pay for your product price, shipping if you have it, and any other expenses. So generally speaking, you've obviously got way more opportunity to have successful, profitable ads. The third reason is high ticket products normally have much faster shipping times because you can source them from local suppliers in your own country. So faster shipping times are gonna give customers a much better customer experience. You're gonna get less returns, you're gonna have way less customer service complaints about slow shipping, and overall, you're gonna be building a much better long-term business. So number 4, you need far less orders to hit big numbers. So say your goal is 6-figure months, right? You need far less orders to hit 6-figure months with a high ticket item versus a low ticket item. So less orders equals less headaches, less customer service, far easier to hit big numbers because each sale has a higher dollar value, and overall you're gonna find you have way less work versus when you're processing hundreds, if not thousands of orders per day with low ticket drop shipping. The fifth and final reason I kind of touched on, high ticket is perfect for Google Shopping. The strategies I teach are mainly centered around Google, and high ticket products work perfectly on there. It's a shopping comparison engine, so if you have well-priced, nice images, good product descriptions and titles on Google Shopping, you're gonna find you're gonna make sales much easier than versus, say, Facebook ads where you need to come up with creative, so actual images or video. You have none of those headaches, and high ticket, you're getting those bottom of funnel people who are ready to buy on Google Shopping. High ticket and Google work perfectly. So there you have it, guys. That's 5 reasons you should drop ship high ticket products right now.